Emmanuel Macron's right-hand man, Clement Beaune, revealed EU member states are set to announce new measures to put pressure on the UK over Brexit commitments, threatening Britain with cuts to energy supplies. European Union states will, within days, announce measures to apply pressure on London to abide by Brexit agreements sealed with the bloc when Britain left the European Union. French European Affairs Minister Clement Beaune told Europe 1 Radio on Tuesday. He did not say what those measures would be, but noted in an interview with the radio station, that Britain depends on energy supplies it receives from the continent of Europe. He said France felt exasperation at a decision by British dependency Jersey to refuse fishing permits for dozens of French vessels. Enough already, we have an agreement negotiated by France, by Michel Barnier, and it should be applied 100%. It isn't being, he said, referring to the EU's former chief Brexit negotiator, who is French. In the next few days, and I talked to my European counterparts on this subject yesterday. We will take measures at the European level or nationally, to apply pressure on the United Kingdom. He added, we defend our interests. We do it nicely, and diplomatically, but when that doesn't work, we take measures. For example, we can imagine, since we're talking about energy, the United Kingdom depends on our energy supplies. It thinks that it can live all alone, and bash Europe. The French politician gathered EU counterparts yesterday for a special meeting in a bid to come up with a plan to fight the UK on fishing rights. Mr. Beaune posted a picture of the video conference on Twitter, adding, with Annick Girardin, we brought together our counterparts from the countries directly concerned by fishing issues, to jointly defend our interests and our fishermen in the face of non-compliance with the Brexit deal by the UK. France has been locking horns with the UK over Brexit for weeks now. Tensions were exacerbated when the UK only issued fishing licenses to 12 out of 47 recent applications by French fishermen. The move has angered French officials who slammed the decision as unacceptable, sparking fears of a full-blown diplomatic crisis about to erupt in the Channel.
Queen Margrethe II to bring Karen Blixen's image creating worlds to life in Netflix film.